Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can perform the hard reset of your JBL Charge Essential 2nd generation speaker. Okay, so as you can see, currently I'm connected with my Android phone, and after the reset, this connection will simply disappear. So you have to grab your speaker and power on by using this power button. And next, you have to click and hold the volume up button and play button for a few seconds until our speaker turn off. So let's do this right now. Click and hold these two buttons together. Let's do this right now and keep holding. Right now, release. As you can hear, the speaker is turned off, and right now this indicator also it's not activated. So let's turn on our speaker back and check if everything is fine. Okay, as you can see, it is blinking right now, so it means that the speaker right now is automatically in the pairing mode. And take a look, we are not connected back. When I try to select this previously connection speaker, I will get the new pairing request, so it means that we perform the full reset of our speaker, and we basically clear all connected devices. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.